everyone. I'm here with you today to do a special Mother's Day cooking lesson. So, if possible, maybe my toddler friends can make this as a surprise for your moms. Wouldn't that be nice? So, I'm going to start with sort of a clear glass like this. We want it to look special for mom. And my glass says Queen Bee on it because what mom doesn't want to be called Queen Bee? And I've gone ahead and made some steel cut oats, okay? I made these ahead of time. They're very healthy and delicious. You could use oatmeal, porridge, any kind of breakfast material that you enjoy, grains. I'm also going to use some vanilla Greek yogurt, a little bit of honey, and some cinnamon. And I've also gone ahead and sliced up my strawberries like this. Okay, so first of all, I'm going to start with some steel cut oats into my cup, like this. So that's going to be the first layer of our parfait, okay? So you sort of start with that layer in there. I'm going to add some, oh wait, first I'm going to put a little bit of honey. That was what I wanted to put next. Okay, a little bit of honey in there. I'm going to make a layer of my sliced strawberries next. As many as you like, depending on the size of what you're using, like that. I'm going to go and put in some yogurt. And you could use, whipped cream or whatever you want, whatever you have available for your parfait. Doesn't that look good? It looks so delicious. And then on top, I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. Okay, so there's my Queen Bee Mother's Day parfait. So have your moms, treated to something special for a special day. I'm going to give it a try here. I can't wait. Can't wait till Sunday.